Haka arpun tarik nailur arhajar arpulai, Myntri Tnad Pule Puthi, Rakam Sangma, Plie Pyrda Jingrakhe dap snem lani diamond Jubilee jong College of Teacher Education. Ka college kala dap snem kynthih, ban jinghikai pyntbit nonghikai. Haba jingkren sngi, Rakam Sangma ong ka college kala pynmih shibun nonghikai, ban jinghikai paka khynnah skul Jylla, ban kyntiew jingnang jingstat imlang salang. Hakani sngi Plie Pyrda, lawan senran langru do advisor Tnad Pule Puthi Jylla, uba H M Shangpliang, jingadon ringkat principal ka college nonghikai bat kisamla puli.
More than 3,000 trained teachers, trained individual has been produced from these institutions. So I wish that these institutions continue to serve the community, the state, the country, the best comes. So it sees the small mind talk about problems and the issue. The great individual, the great people discuss about the ideas and the policy. So I think why we are here today, here to learn, to be as a professional on our commitment. So my best wishes to all the future teachers of the state. As we have seen the history of this college in the last 60 years, we see lots to be, many has been done, but lots to be done in the days to come. As a government, we will certainly look into the matter. We understand the issues, and with Madam Principal, we were just discussing how to improve, how to make things happen for the greater, better of our people. Should we depend on all this? But to me, certainly not. If we just depend on technology and the computer science, these things will replace our natural intelligence. And we will not be having the natural intelligence stored in our minds and our brains. Therefore, this is a generation that we should really, as institutions, we should really update ourselves to get the best brand of natural intelligence. Now, it's a time today not to learn about technology and all this artificial intelligence. Our children, our young people, they learn because they become the part of life. I think many parents are aware. Our young children, from 10 years, 8 years, even 2 years, 3 years, they know how to use the smartphone, the computer science. They don't need to teach. But today our institutions have to teach the ideas, how to control our children, how to control this technology. We don't need to learn how to use the technology, no. But now we have to learn beyond one step, ahead than technology. We have to learn now how to control the technology. Let all these factors give challenge to each one of us. We have to go down. What's really happened? Therefore, my request each one of us, as a government, because as a government we get the ideas from the expert. Who are the expert? Educator, educationists are the expert. Because the best asset is in store in the educationists. So even Sir W. Lindo was telling, H M Shangpliang looks younger.